Namaste, and first of all, congratulations on making it halfway through our 30-day yoga challenge. Let's take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate this achievement. Today's video is going to be a short one. I just want to talk to you about the importance of this challenge and this journey that you're on, and why it might really benefit you in many areas of your life. Have you ever heard of Keystone Habits? Keystone Habits are small changes or habits we can introduce into our routine that will unintentionally carry over into other aspects of our lives. Essentially, Keystone Habits are so powerful that they lead to the formation and the development of other good habits, thus creating a domino effect in your life and producing a number of positive outcomes. Examples of Keystone Habits are exercise, a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and for many people, it's practicing yoga. If you practice yoga regularly, you'll start to feel differently. You'll become more aware of what's going on inside your body, of what it needs, and of what might not be so good for you. This heightened awareness might inspire you to eat healthier, limiting processed foods and favoring natural whole foods instead. After a while, you might feel more energized because you're moving more and you're fueling your body with healthy foods. This increased energy can help you be more productive at work. And because you get more things done in shorter periods of time, you'll feel less stressed. This sense of relaxation can be carried over from your workday into your personal life, leading to more harmonious relationships with the people around you, and so on and so on. This widespread ripple effect is what makes yoga a keystone habit. One reason why Keystone Habits are so powerful is that they change your self-image, the way you view and think about yourself. Once you successfully build one healthy habit, you will notice other areas in your life that might need improvement, and you'll start to build these good habits all around. That's all for today. Now, we would love to hear from you. You're halfway through the challenge now. How are you feeling? How is it going for you? And can you notice any changes or effects on and off the mat? We'd love for you to share this in our Facebook group, and we hope to see you there. As always, enjoy today's practice.